Hi everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and today I'm back with one new function called switch formula in Excel. So I would like to explain about the switch function. The switch function in Excel is a logical function that evaluates an expression against a list of value and return a corresponding result for the first matching value. It works similarly to a series of nested if statements but provides a more concise way of handling multiple conditions. Okay, so let's start to learn switch function in Excel. Switch bracket start. Along with switch we use true function as well for genuine value. Okay, so comma this equals to this. If this equals to this, then the value should be double quotation mat matched. If this equals to this and value would be 0, then the remark should be matched. Okay, now again this is greater than this, then comma double quotation the value, the uh, remark would be negative. Okay, if this is greater than this, then the remark would be negative. Now this is less than this, then double quotation remark would be positive. Bracket close, again by bracket close, and hit enter. Okay, now you can see here, you can see here one shortage, then the it's a negative variance physically. Okay, this is match. Here is positive variance because system quantity is 200, physical is 300, 100 quantity is positive variance. Okay, here also 2000 physical, 2000 system is matched. Here you can see 50 quantity in the system, 51 is physical, so positive 1 quantity. Here is system 50, physical 29, 21 quantity as a negative variance. Okay, so this is the switch for function. Okay, now we now we can learn nested if formula. So what is nested if formula? Nested if function in Excel are multiple if function. A repeat if function if we use, that is called nested if function. So when we use this nested if function, we uh, we will get the similar result as we got in switch function. So let's start to learn the nested if function. If this if this equals to this, comma double quotation matched, double quotation closed. If this is greater than this, comma double quotation negative, double quotation closed. If again this is less than this, comma double quotation value is would be positive, close, close, close. Okay, so hit enter. Now you can see the both formula result is same. Negative, negative, match, match, positive, positive, match, positive, negative, match, positive, match, match, positive, negative, match, negative, negative, positive, match, 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 and negative. So in the both way we can get the similar result, whether it is whether used switch function and whether it's used nested if function. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed learning, and happy learning, and thank you so much